I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Jackie. 1 year anniversary. Congratulations, you look
Thank
amazing.
you. Really, really well. On both sides, you can see like I am so super, 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 super happy. Um, Everything is
Best decision of your life?
best decision of my life. I'll do it 10 times again.
So, a lot of times people say that anesthesia is the worst part, and I will be one of them to tell you the anesthesia is not fun, just like when you go to the dentist.
That's listen, and it only lasts for about the pain lasts for about maybe 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. It's not that bad. Once you
But the
once you
results
get over
are
that,
permanent.
yes, yes, yes. And so once you get over that 5 to 7 minutes of that pain, let me tell you something. You guys are gonna be in for some edges, 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 edges. Yes.
What do all of your friends and family say about your hairline now?
Oh my God, Jackie, it's amazing. Like the 1 year, it then grew so good. Everybody is
And
like,
it's
they listen. You're gonna get clients that want to come and do it. They was like, oh my God. Even when I go get my hair done at the hairstylist, it's a couple of ladies in there, and they have alopecia really, really bad, and so they got your contact information, and they gonna book. They want to come because it's worth it. It's really worth it.
the confidence that you get from a hair transplant, just like going ahead and being able to make decisions on what you want to do to your hair, it's so much better than when you were trying to hide it the whole entire time.
Yes, 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 and have to wear scarves all the time. Um, Now I don't have to do any of that. And I always wanted to wear me a nice ponytail, nice full ponytail. I can do that with no problem. So,
And
yes, with my
people say, but
Switzerland.
it's incredible. Like people say, but I don't want a scar. I don't want a scar. Who even knows that you have a scar right
And
now?
listen, I wish I could show you the back of my hair. Where you took the hair out from the back, that hair, you can't even listen. I'm not even lying. That thing had been healed up within like 2 weeks. My hair was already starting to grow through the stitchers. When I
Yep.
went to go get them removed, the hair was already coming through, wrapping around the stitchers. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with my results.
And what did the doctor say who removed the stitches? Did they say the suture line? What did they say about the suture line?
It was almost invisible. You can barely see it. They had to really be careful to get those stitchers out because they can barely see. So they was looking in there really, really good, trying to see where the stitchers was to cut them out. You did a fantastic job. A
And I
all
always
across the
say
board.
we all know it was part of the team. It was a team effort,
Yes,
correct?
yes, yes.
I cannot do it without.
Everybody there rocks. Everybody. And you fed us food. We had Taco Tuesday that day.
Then you're missing out on Thanksgiving feast.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, anybody who
Well,
wants to, get their confidence back and they want to feel great about themselves when they get up and they look in the mirror because they have lost their edges, please go see Dr. Siegel. You don't have to go out of the country for that. Book right here in the States, and the man is going to put you back in the game, I promise you.
and we're gonna show your before pictures if that's
Okay,
okay.
that's fine.
And I thank you so much for offering to do this informative FaceTime video because it helps out so many people. And anybody who's out there who's on the fence whether or not to get a hair transplant, first of all, stay here in the States. That's my number one recommendation.
Mm-hmm.
With 3A to 4C hair texture, I only recommend the FUT procedure. Never recommend the FUE, otherwise you'll get over harvesting in the back. But you're a perfect example of one of my patients, and I thank you so much for trusting in myself and the team.
Yes,
And I want you to know that if you're ever down here in South Florida, you have to come visit us.
yes, without a doubt, I'm coming. I thank you guys so much. Your team is awesome. You guys rock. I love y'all. Thank you.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.